In this video, I'm going to put to test the 3 most powerful AI generative language tools to test. I want to ask Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, and Gemini the same question, and we want to see how detailed each is or which tool stands out. So in case you are new to this, Copilot is from Microsoft, and then ChatGPT is from OpenAI, while Gemini is provided by Google. So we shall begin with Copilot, and here is the question. Write for me about top generative AI tools to enhance productivity. I'll ask the same question to the other tools, but first, let's see what Copilot will give out. So let me go ahead and submit and see the results. So Copilot is done, and from the response, I'm shocked that it didn't include Copilot itself as one of the best generative AI tool to enhance productivity. From the others, number 1, it gave us ChatGPT by OpenAI, CopyAI, Jasper, Grammarly, Quillbot, Canva, and Midjourney. Next, we shall ask ChatGPT, and I'll pose the same question. And here's the question. Write for me about top generative AI tools to enhance productivity. Now let's see what ChatGPT will give out. And ChatGPT is done. And from ChatGPT, we can see it began with itself, with ChatGPT from OpenAI as the top tool. And then we had Jasper, Canva, Notion, Midjourney, Descript, GitHub, Grammarly, Math AI, and then Runway as top generative AI tools one can use to enhance productivity. Copilot was able to give us only 7, and ChatGPT has just given us 10 of them. But you also realize that it didn't include Copilot or Gemini among the top generative AI tools that one can use to enhance productivity. As well, it never mentioned them as alternative to ChatGPT, as you can see here. Now next, we are going to see what Gemini from Google will write for us. I'll paste again the same question. So let's go ahead and submit and then wait and see. And here we go. And it is done. And from the tools that we have been given, Gemini went ahead and separated them according to their functions. For instance, you can see how detailed Gemini was. First, it gave us tools for writing and content creation, and under it, it mentioned Jasper, CopyAI, and then Grammarly. It went ahead and gave us tools for image and design. And under this, we had DALL-E 2, Midjourney, Runway as tools for image and design. Under productivity and task management, Gemini was able to recommend Otter AI and Todoist AI Assistant as the top tools, and other tools, extra tools, it mentioned GitHub, Copilot, and then Synthesia. And apart from mentioning the tools, Gemini went ahead and gave us the benefits of using these generative AI tools and mentioned benefits such as automation, increased creativity, improved efficiency, enhanced content creation are some of the benefits of using these generative AI tools. So if I were to give a judgment comparing the 3, I'll say that Gemini gave us the best results. As you can see from the result, it went far and beyond. However, it still misses out some few details. For instance, writing tools, it only mentioned other tools apart from the other language models. It never gave a mention of the latest AI tools such as Copilot or ChatGPT. It never even mentioned Gemini itself from this response. The only tool that mentioned itself was ChatGPT, and it gave us a list of 10, but it failed to give us more details and organize them according to the function. It just gave a general mention and some key features of these tools, and it gave us 10 of them. And on the other hand, Microsoft Copilot, to me, I give it the least marks because first, it only went ahead to mention 7, and I feel it would have done a better job than mentioning just 7. And to make the matter worse, it recognizes ChatGPT and fails to recognize Copilot itself. However, I'm impressed by Copilot details. Now, as you can see under features, it gives us further details about what we'll get and at what price. And ChatGPT was trying to do that, but it fell short of giving us finer details concerning the features. And in fact, under each, it only gave us one key feature for each tool. On the other hand, Copilot was much detailed under each, and it even gave us refined detail about the usability and the capabilities of each, among other details. So I like this, the pricing models and the plans that each and every tool offers. I like how Copilot brought it out. Let me know in the comment section, what is your take? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and kindly watch the next video.